Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying eligibility. 1, 000 subscribers and 4, 000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once done, enable two-step verification and create or link an AdSense account so payments can flow. You should pick a niche and set a realistic upload cadence now because consistent content drives watch time. Make sure to optimize channel settings and descriptions before applying to the partner program. This reduces friction and improves approval odds. You audit your top videos for retention, click-through rate, and average view duration. These metrics determine ad earnings. Then, enable monetization features, ads, channel memberships, super chat, and merch shelf, so revenue diversifies beyond CPM. Once metrics look solid, submit your YouTube Partner Program application and ensure every uploaded video follows community guidelines and copyright rules because violations delay approval. Make sure to add clear thumbnails and end screens to boost watch time while the review is pending. You finalize by scaling revenue. Monitor RPM, CPM, and revenue sources in analytics weekly, and reinvest learnings into content that retains viewers. Once monetized, diversify with sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products so income isn't ad-dependent. If issues arise, strikes, demonetized videos, or AdSense payment holds, appeal quickly, fix policy problems, and document changes. Make sure to communicate transparently with your audience during disruptions. That preserves trust and reduces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.